You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Infinity Zone. Doo-doo-doo-doo. What do you think of when you think of infinity? Stars in the twinkling night sky? The number of grains of sand on any given beach? The number of Friday the 13th sequels? What about the world of art?
Don't hold back. Really express yourselves. Don't be afraid
Yes,
to
art and infinity go together like Matt Damon and Ben Affleck. Much of it can be traced back to the inspirational M.C. Escher, whose infinitesimal artwork can be at times both mind-bending and nausea-inducing. His glorious work, Waterfall, uses angle of view and perspective to create an impossible object of free energy. A waterfall that runs itself with water that is both traveling horizontally and vertically, over and over, for infinity. It is an aqua Penrose stairs, in essence. To better explain Penrose stairs, I turn over to Joseph Gordon-Levitt.
Architecture. You're gonna have to master a few tricks if you're gonna build 3 complete dream levels. Excuse me.
What kind of tricks?
In a dream, you can cheat architecture into impossible shapes. That lets you create closed loops, like the Penrose steps, the infinite staircase. See? Paradox.
Thanks, JGL. That was great. Even though it is an impossible object, by similarly manipulating the angle of the view, this young gentleman was able to recreate the waterfall. Ta-da! Another famous use of Penrose stairs comes from Guy Pupez's piece of artwork used on the 4th album cover of Hall of Fame-bound rock band The Strokes. Not only does this piece use Penrose stairs, it ups the amount of visual and physical distortion by using regular tiling to give the old noggin a real headache. This repetition of black and white tiles skew the perception of the image. Also, it's really colorful and cool, so you know, there's that. But these are all two-dimensional manipulations of infinity. What happens when the concept is transferred to three-dimensional artwork? This challenge was taken up by Max Bill in his sleek metallic endless ribbon sculpture. By making a Mobius strip of metal, Bill has given a large physical version of infinity that can actually be touched. However, Max Bill would prefer if you didn't touch his ribbon.
No touching! No touching! No touching! No touching!
When one can touch, observe the symbol for infinity, it makes it seem within reach. Perhaps that's what these artists are striving for. The infinite. That thing always just out of grasp. Fit into a fine wooden frame or built to stand on a podium. Art and the infinite, entwined like a Mobius strip never to be separated. Infinity. A topic to be forever drawn out, sculpted, tattooed onto human flesh. Forever to be wondered. Forever to perplex. Forever existing in the depths of our mind as a subject to cause math and art students alike the greatest of migraines. Where in our minds does this wonder of the infinite come from? I like to think it comes from the Twilight Zone.